What up, Crusader gang? We got this Maserati on deck here. Nice blue color. We got the stock, I believe these are 920s. Customer just bought this car. We got a couple of curb rashes. They actually got snow tires on there right now. Nice color. I always like these with the portholes on the side. How many of you guys remember the Chrysler 300s back in the day? I put all those in the pillar post. It is staggered on there, 10.5s. It's the Maserati Ghibli. And on deck, we just test fitted these Ruff racing wheels. This caliper is huge on this car, so you actually have to do a mid offset almost on this car to clear the caliper. We tried another 5-star wheels, some spec 1 wheels, and it didn't work. So this is 20 by 10s all the way around, the Ruff Racing, the 359. Beautiful wheel, silver with the machine face. And we're doing 20 by 10s all the way around. We are doing staggered on the tires, so in the rear it's a 295, 25, 22. We're just going to clean off the calipers because they're nice and red in here, and then we're going to paint the middle portion of the rotor. We were going to paint it silver to match the wheels, but I think the rust will come right through it, so we're going to paint it black. So I didn't put any sensors. He wanted to see how the fitment would look on there, and he made his decision real quick when he seen his back tire on here. Look at that. The tire split. So this thing was right about to blow. So lucky he did come in, and we're going to get him right, put him back on the road. This Maserati, I think Q4 is the all-wheel drive. So another thing too, some vehicles come all-wheel drive with the same tires all the way around. Usually then with the staggered, I keep the same tires all the way around. So with this scenario here, he has it staggered from the factory. So the rims are the same 22 by 10s we're going to run all the way around, but we're going to do with the wider tire in the back. So we got the 295 25 22, we got the Venom tire, and then we got the 255 30 22 in the front. So let's go get it and get it done. Gotta take out the sensor. Stay tuned for more of the build.